So here I'm using the radio. I'm using A and B. FM mono.
It's back. Summer evening of live music. It's coming to downtown Fergus again this summer. Twilight at Templin. Happens throughout July and August at Templin Gardens.
Make sure that's on source, which it is.
Starts at 5 o'clock with the Artisan Market lot.
FM muting must be off.
At Templin, set for tomorrow night, featuring Friday Empire. Time for Antonia with Skyward's traffic.
In 12, we're still dealing with a crash on Highway 6 northbound by Willow Road, slowing things down in both directions, but the crash by Silver Creek Parkway has cleared out. We're doing well through Fergus and Laura Streets, incident-free. 401 westbound slows from Jamestown Parkway to Highway 25. Then from before you hit Town Line Road to Haspler, the 401 eastbound is clear.
I'm using the left one. I'll show you that it'll work on the channel A as well. You can see. Still have it. Yep, so it's working there.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.